Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Widindriani with NPM 2341205 and 5. I'm from class AKT 23A. Today I will presentation about understanding law and business law. Law is a system of rules and regulation created and enforced by a governing authority to maintaining order, protect rights, and ensure justice in society. These rules guide human behavior, resolve conflict, and establish standards for acceptable conduct. Law plays a fundamental role in shaping social, political, and economic relationships by providing structure and stability. Without law, society will face insecurity, conflict, and disorder. Through legal system, individuals and organizations are able to interact in a predictable and fair environment. Law serves several important functions. First, it protects individual rights and freedom such as the right to property, privacy, and personality security. Second, it promotes justice by providing mechanisms to resolve disputes through court and legal products. Third is maintain social order by setting rules and consequences for uncountable behavior. Finally, law supports economic development by regulating commercial activity, protecting investment, and ensuring fair competition. This function may make law as essential foundation for modern society. Business law is a branch of law that focuses specifically on legal issues related to commercial activities and business operation. It governs how business are formed, managed, and developed, as well as how they interact with customers, employees, suppliers, and governments. Business law includes regulation on contracts, corporate governance, customer protection, employment, taxation, intellectual property, and competition. By providing clear legal guidelines, business law helps companies operate in a stable and predictable environment. One of the key areas of business law is contract law. Contracts are legally binding agreements between two or more parties that define rights, obligations, and expectations. In business, contracts are used for sales, partnership, employment, leasing, and many other transactions. A valid contract requires an offer, acceptance, mutual consent, and consideration. Contract law ensures that agreements are enforceable and the parties can seek legal remedies if one side fails to fulfill its obligation. This creates trust and reliability in business relationships. Another important aspect of business law is company or corporate law. This area regulates the formation, structure, and management of business entities such as corporations and limited liability companies. Corporate law defines the roles and responsibility of stakeholders, direction, and managers. It also establishes rules for corporate governance, financial reporting, and accountability. By setting clear standards, corporate law helps prevent fraud, protection investors, and promote transparency in business operation. Customer protection Customer protection law is also a major part of business law. It aims to protect consumers from unfair, misleading, or harmful business practices. This law requires by business to provide accurate information, ensure product safety, and offer fair pricing. Customers have the right to complain and receive compensation if the if they are harmed by defective products or false advertising. Customer protection laws create a balance between business interests and public welfare, ensuring that economic activities do not exploit consumers. Employment law regulates the relationship between employers and employees. It covers issues such as wage, working hours, workplace safety, discrimination, and termination of employment. This law protects workers' rights and ensures fair treatment in the workplace. At the same time, employment law provides guidelines for employers to manage their workplace legality and responsibility. A fair and safe working environment improves productivity, reduces conflict, and supports long-term business success. Intellectual property law is another crucial area of business law. It protects creations such as invention, trademarks, copyrights, and their secrets. By granting legal rights to creators and innovators, intellectual property law encourages innovation and creativity. Business rely on intellectual property protection to safeguard their brands, product, and technology for imitation. This protection supports competition and economic growth. Competition or antitrust law promotion fair competition in the marketplace. It prevents monopolized price fixing and other practices that limit customer choice and harm the economy. By ensuring a level playing field, competition law encourages efficiency, innovation, and low price. Business must comply with their regulation to avoid legal penalty and maintain public trust. Understanding law and business law is essential for business owners, managers, and employees. Legal knowledge helps business avoid risks, comply, comply with regulation, and make informed decisions. When companies understand their legal obligation, they are less likely to face lawsuits, fines, or reputational damage. Legal awareness also helps business protect their rights and interests in the disputes with customer partners or competitors. In the global business environment, understanding law becomes even more important. International trade involves different legal systems, cultural norms, and regulatory standards. Business must comply with international laws related to contracts, trade, taxation, and intellectual property. Failure to understand these rules can lead to serious legal and financial consequences. Therefore, legal knowledge supports successful global operation. Ethics and law are closely connected in business activity. While laws state minimum standard for behavior, ethics guide business toward responsible and fair practice. Companies that go beyond legal compliance and act ethically build stronger reputation and gain customer trust. Ethical business conduct includes honesty, transparency, respect for stakeholders, and environmental responsibility. In conclusion, law provides the foundation for order, justice, and stability in society. While business law regulates commercial activity and relationship, understand law and business law help individuals or organizations operate responsibility, protect their rights, and achieve sustainability success. By following legal rules and essential principle, business can contribute positive value to economy development and social welfare. I think that's enough. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.